town, had to go to Tractor Supply and get some bird food. You're looking through my old GoPro today. I haven't forgot that I bought a new one. I just haven't took it out of the box yet. I'm trying to get all the accessories I need to go with it. And I've still got to learn how to work it. The camera itself, the GoPro, turned out to be, time you buy the accessories and stuff, I'll go through the items that I bought, but it's quite a bit more than I thought it was going to be. I've got to go down here by the mailbox and pick up somebody's garbage. The whole front of the property down here is just garbage up the yin yang. Why people are so dang inconsiderate, I don't know. Good day, YouTubers. Get out here and water my tomatoes a little bit today. I'm on the old GoPro. I have not even opened my new GoPro yet. I've been gathering my stuff up and doing other things. Staying busy with other things. But we're going to do an update on the GoPro pretty soon. Hello! Hey! Got an echo in there. I got to get out here and weed my tomatoes. They're starting to get covered up in weeds. I'll bring the weed eater and go around them and then weed the immediate weeds right around the tomato plants. I better get that hot water out of the garden hose first. I'm putting some Irish Spring around my tomato plants as a deterrent to deer. Well, I can't cut the box, so I guess I better take it out of the box. Didn't bring the right knife to start with. I don't know if it works or not, but somebody said it does. One of my viewers said they have some deer repellent. It glows. I'll probably get some of that too. Whether it'll chase the deer away or not, I have some sweet smelling tomato plants. Now, what I'm using here are brand new tube socks. Now why would I do that? Because I hate tube socks. Somebody give me some tube socks for Christmas. They didn't know they was giving me something that hangs on my tomato cages. You know, a little water on that thing might make it more fragrant. It's going to get rained on anyway from time to time. Yes, sirree, Bob. Let's tie that knot right there. I saw this on YouTube. Somebody hung theirs with a clothespin. As long as them socks are, a knot will work just as good. I only brought 6 socks or I could cut it 4 ways. Yeah, I gotta get my weeding done. I was out here pulling all them honeysuckles off there. I did a pretty good job of cleaning them off of that. When my tomato plants get just a little bigger, I'm going to cut the lower limbs off. Many of you viewers pointed out that I shouldn't be wetting the leaves, but when my plants get bigger, they're going to be up above them watering plants, watering pipes. If the deer want to take a bath while they're out here, I got the soap handy for them. Whether it works or not, I'll do a follow-up later in the year and tell you whether my tomatoes got ate or not. I don't suppose the soap dripping down on the plant would hurt anything. We shall find out. I doubt the soap would hurt it one little bit. How much water you got in there, Walter? Oh, it's half full. It's more than enough. I wasn't going to water my tomatoes today because I thought it was going to rain. And it still keeps looking like it, but I can't depend on Mother Nature to do my job for me. I'll get out here in the next day or two and get to weeding on these booger beds because they're starting to look very healthy, my tomato plants are. Got to get in there and trim some of them suckers off. A little bit of warm weather and I can look for my tomato plants to take off towards John's house. Oh, I got another bar of soap to cut up. We are getting a little bit more use out of my old GoPro. Talk a little bit about my new GoPro. They advertised the Hero 4 Black for $3.99. Well, what they don't tell you is you got to buy a SD card. The SD card I bought was 128 megabytes extreme, so that was like 60 bucks. I want to use a microphone on mine for external audio when I'm doing my vlogs. So I've got to order a microphone adapter. Turns out GoPro is the only people that sells one that'll fit a GoPro. And they're $59 just for a little double plug about that long that plugs into your computer, into your camera. So that $399 purchase turned into a $540 something purchase because I bought 2 extra batteries. Let's see, I got 5 socks around here. Oh, we didn't hang one over here. What's the matter with you, Walter? Can't you count? I imagine most of you might think it's quite comical hanging a bar of soap by your tomato plant. But it only cost me a couple of dollars, and if it does what they claim it will, I'll be all the better off. Now what am I going to take a bath with? It's not almost, it is. Saturday came and went. I might just have to do without a bath this week. Get me a couple more bars, I'll hang them out there in my apple trees. I might could actually get some apples this year if that works. I'm a heck of a one to be repelling deer when I've been busy feeding them and attracting them for 2 months. One thing about watering my tomato plants with this irrigation system, the water gets to soak into the ground really good, and I don't have to stand here holding the garden hose for an hour and a half. Boy, my tomato plants sure are looking good. I wonder if I need to fertilize them. They're still plenty green. Look at old Sweet William over there, just blooming away. I need me a hose reel. I have to look for one. I'm gathering up a lot of my GoPro attachments today, trying to get them all better organized, working on my camera equipment. When you pay them kind of bucks for a new camera, you better have it organized. Come to find out, I still ain't got everything I need. I need to order some more. My $549 is going to turn into $649 real quick. While I'm blogging, show you something I bought here the other day. A new pair of limb loppers. And they cut really good. I cut some off the pine tree here the other day. There's one drawback to this limb lopper. It was $50–$60 down at Lowe's. It is so cotton picking heavy. It's made out of metal. By the time you raise it up like that to cut 3 or 4 limbs, you will slap out. That thing weighs, well, it's pushing 7–8 pounds, maybe more. What are we going to call this vlog today? A new use for tube socks. How about that? Thank you for tuning in today, my friends.